Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer the photos from your Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 to your iPhone using both Lightning and USB-C iPhones. So the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 can transfer the photos directly using the USB connection. So you need to connect the camera to your iPhone using the Lightning to USB camera adapter for the older devices and the USB-C adapter or the cable for the newer iPhone models. Afterwards, you just have to power your camera on and you need to simply open the photos applications on your iPhone. Now inside the photos, you are going to see all of the photos from your camera. So you just have to simply select those photos and you need to import them into your phone. So the import screen should appear automatically if the connection is successful. So tap on the option of import and import those photos. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can just simply use the SD card method. So you need to simply insert the SD card into the Lightning SD card reader, and your iPhone should detect the card immediately through the Photos application. So you can prefer this particular method as well because it is also very easy. Now, if the iPhone doesn't recognize the camera, you can also reconnect the USB cable and make sure that the camera stays powered on during the transfer. So you can try these easy things and see if it is transferred successfully. Thank you for watching.